Pinoy Bex. Welcome to Pinoy Bex. May bago tayong problem mula sa ME Board of April 1994. The problem states that a PSME, ito yung acronym ng Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineer. A PSME unit has 10 MEs, mechanical engineers, 8 PMEs, the professional mechanical engineers, and 6 CPM. This is the certified plant mechanic. If a committee of 3 members, 1 from each group is to be formed, so how many such committees can be formed? Para mas mabilis nating maunawaan o ma-analyze, so naglagay ako dito ng figure. So mayroon tayong sections na tatlo. Ito yung represent ng tatlong members. So the first member, second, and third member. Doon sa first member, so ang pwede dito, since may 10 ME, so mayroon tayong 10 possibility na ME. And for the second member, so mayroon 8. So mayroon tayong 8 professional mechanical engineers. At for the ikatlong member, so mayroon tayong certified plant mechanic na 6. Ayan. So ulitin ko lang, dun sa unang members, meron tayong posibleng 10. So sa pangalawa, 8 at pangatlo ay 6. So anyway, pwede silang magkabali-baliktad. So next step natin, let n is equivalent to the total number of committees formed. Okay. Masasolve natin to using the concept of fundamental principle of counting. So which is the n, so equal to the number of ways of the first, the second, and the third. So equivalent to 10 times 8 times 6. So for a total of 480 ways. So ayan yung ating sagot. Okay? Okay, sana naunawaan nyo kung paano natin nakuha. Again, using the fundamental principle of counting, i-multiply lang natin yung mga number of ways ng first member and second member and the third member. Huwag nyo kalilimutan mag-subscribe sa aking channel. So para mas masbaybayan nyo yung aking mga ina-upload pang mga videos regarding mga examples ng problem solving sa mathematics. So again, thank you. Pinoy Bex.